Welcome to another episode of Titan PI TV here on YouTube, but also available as Titan PI TV on podcast. We're looking at the inside workings of a live operational investigation agency, that being here, Titan in Derby. Today we are going to briefly discuss Titan's motorcycle surveillance course. So the motorcycle surveillance is a specialist role within a surveillance convoy. It isn't used on every operation. It's generally only used in large cities like Birmingham and London. And the reason for that is because they can do bus lanes, taxi lanes, they can get through traffic easier. However, there isn't a necessity for that, and obviously they come at an extra cost to the end client. So the surveillance motorcyclist is a specific specialist area of surveillance. We deliver a 5-day surveillance course, which is a basic surveillance course, which I've discussed in previous episodes. But when we run this course, we also offer the possibility for potential learners. We would need a minimum of 2 to come and do the motorcycle surveillance course. They both run in parallel, but the beauty of running them both in parallel is once the motorcyclists are up to speed, they're happy with what they're doing, what their roles are, day 3 they will join the surveillance team on the vehicle course. So you're actually working as a surveillance team, which is brilliant for the basic course, and it's brilliant for the motorcyclists because they're engaging and it gives that reality to their training. So we do get quite a lot of inquiries from people that want to do the surveillance motorcycle course. One, because it sounds quite Gucci, riding a motorbike all day. And they ask, do I need to be surveillance trained before I attend your course? The answer is yes. So on the course, I'll go through the structure of it and what we teach on our motorcycle course. But what there isn't room for is for us to teach you everything that the individuals or the learners on the 5-day course, which is the vehicle course, which is running in parallel. We haven't got 5 days to put you through what they are going through, to then be able to put all that into practice for the motorcycle bit. So you need to have, we ask for a minimum of 2 years surveillance experience so that you're not thinking about your surveillance. We also don't want you to be thinking about your riding ability. So we want you to be a competent rider so you're not thinking about that, and the two, both the riding and the surveillance, can both come in and you're not overthinking it. It is a different role, so you are going to be thinking certain aspects of it which you wouldn't as a vehicle driver. So let me go over the course and the structure. So day 1 is firstly, we'll be looking at your riding ability. So it will be what we call a check ride, and we'll be discussing various bits of your rides, and that is a full day because we need to make sure that you do have the correct capabilities and competency levels for the course, because it is a dangerous role that we are teaching you. Day 2, we go on to changing of rider appearance, so how you can change your appearance. The 3 surveillance motorcyclist commands, so they are the only things which you will hear when you're being spoken to by the team. Use of cover, so how you don't stand out, because a bike does stand out, especially if it's got a large headlight on the front of it. So using cover so you're not seen by the subject. The convoy system, which you will be going up and down constantly. Loss procedures and what your role is at a loss procedure, because it's different to what a vehicle driver will do. Shadow and relay. Public transport. That is day 2. Day 3 is when you join the surveillance team. You will be doing stop and plot. You will be doing conventional surveillance with 3 vehicles. That's day 3. Day 4, we continue with the surveillance team. We progress on to dealing with motorways, motorway services, car parks, and the role the motorcyclist has in those scenarios. And then day 5, you will join in with the rest of the team, as you have on days 3 and 4, and you'll be used on the final exercise. So that is the structure of the course. The cost of the course is £1,200 including VAT, and you will be instructed by a former police surveillance motorcyclist with 30 years experience, but also as a motorcyclist trainer for the police. So we've got a whole load of experience with our training team, and it is just compounded once again by having someone of that calibre who is our motorcyclist instructor. If you would like to come on the course, you can express interest through the website at www.tightinvestigations.co.uk. Please, as always, give us a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel so you don't miss further episodes. Or you can download your podcast from wherever you download your podcast from. It's Titan PI TV. Thanks again for listening. Till next time.